Joe and Diana work in a construction company. Diana is in charge of sales and Joe is working as head of operations. Their best days are where Diana lands a new customer. It shows that their hard work pays off, and it is the foundation for growing their business. However, landing a new customer also means that both Diana and Joe need to do some admin work. Diana has to create the new customer in her internal sales systems. Joe has to create the customer in their production and logistics applications too. In total, they need to update between 5 to 10 systems whenever they land a new contract. To finish their admin tasks, they need to share customer, sales, and project data. To do so, they have coordination meetings, use email, chat, and phone calls. It all takes time, they risk creating errors, and it removes the focus from the core of their jobs. So everyone agrees that they should automate their customer onboarding tasks. However, conventional automation software is a big IT investment. It requires a specialist to build your automations, and you would need training to know how to use the tool. But it does not have to be like this. It is possible to build digital scalability into your business in a way where you can build your own automations. Automations that run in real time and can include tasks that both you and your colleagues perform. Cognifirm is designed to help you finish your repetitive tasks fast, instantly and error-free. In a way where you build your own automations that fits your specific needs, without any IT investment or use of expensive consultants. Scaling your business starts with a free account on cognifirm.com.